The ATND1061 requires an active data network to power, control, and send audio to other networked audio receivers such as an audio mixer or digital signal processor. To configure the ATND1061, it must be connected to a data network with PoE power, a Windows-based computer on the same subnet running the Audio-Technica Digital Microphone Manager is required for discovery and setup. Digital Microphone Manager software can be run without being connected to the ATND1061 hardware. Settings can be stored on the PC and pushed to the ATND1061 hardware at a later date. Default settings of the ATND1061 are to look for a network DHCP server for an IP address. Should the network not have a DHCP server, the microphone will self-assign a link local IP address using the industry-standard automatic private Internet Protocol addressing. This address typically starts at 169.254. Once the microphone is connected and the LED is illuminated, the microphone can be found in the Digital Microphone Manager software or the web remote manager of the microphone. If the microphone is not found in the software, verify the computer and the microphone are on the same subnet. Also, make certain the Network Discover settings are enabled. This can be found in Advanced Network Settings within the Windows software. Some network administrators or virus software packages will disable this setting. Once the microphone is found within the software, all the settings can be accessed and configured. Settings include device name, IP settings, port configurations, inputs, outputs, and audio settings such as levels and coverage zones. To learn more about the ATND1061 Beamforming Ceiling Array microphone and download installation guides and software, visit audiotechnica.com.